Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find LinkedIn profile ID, how to do LinkedIn ID lookup. First, go ahead to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you have logged in, click on your profile picture or the Me section right here at the top part of the page and click on View Profile. Once you have done that, you can see a URL at the top of our browser. This is the URL. And actually, the profile ID is in here at the URL. This is our profile ID after the IN slash on the part of the URL. And we can also change our LinkedIn ID by clicking on this public profile and URL. Also, this URL that we have or the ID that we have, we can also send it to any person so that they will be able to visit your LinkedIn profile. If you want to change your profile ID, click on this pencil icon right beside the public profile and URL. And at the right part of the page, you should be able to see the edit your custom URL. You can click on this pencil icon right beside our URL, and your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters. So you have to take note of those. And for example, I'm going to change it to something like that and click on save and see that it will be successfully changed for your LinkedIn ID or URL. And that is how you can basically find LinkedIn profile ID. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.